started working as a client relationship manager at Agent Ontario. I worked there for almost 1 year. My name is Pratmesh Desai. I am from Chikun, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in BSc IT from Gurukul College, Chikun, into 2020. After that, I started working as a client relationship manager at Agent Ontario. I worked there for almost 1 year, and I quit that job as I wanted to restart my career in IT domain. Then I started searching for a full stack developer course online, and I came across 10x Academy. So before joining 10x Academy, I was facing issue in solving data structure problems. I was not able to come up with the solutions very early. So before joining the 10x Academy, I was facing these issues, and after joining the 10x Academy, learn the skills to come up with multiple solutions to solve the problems. So while surfing through Instagram, I came to the advertisement of 10x Academy. I went to the website and registered for their 3 days pre-boot camp session immediately. So after attending 3 days pre-boot camp session, I came to know that the mentors are teaching really good. So I chose 10x Academy for that reason. The main problem of fear of speaking in front of others, that was my problem from the very beginning. So the 10x Academy one-on-one sessions, the mock interviews, and the daily mentoring sessions or the group discussion sessions which happened daily, they helped me to overcome my fear of speaking in front of others. On one-on-one mentor sessions, it is really very helpful for the students who are not confident to present their solutions in front of others. So one-on-one mentor sessions, they help us to how to present our solution in front of others. We have some problems with the solution, and if we are not able to come up with the solutions, they will also help us to reach to that solutions with helping us. They won't give us the solutions directly, but they will guide us to reach to that solution. The one best part of the paid bootcamp is the one-on-one sessions and the mock interview. So these two are the very different things. The one-on-one sessions will be of one hour, and you will get to solve the problems. But in the mock interviews, you will get the actual working professionals in the companies who will interview you, and they will take your interview. So you will get the real-time interview experience. So in the mock interviews, as I said, they are very helpful because they are the real-time interview. There won't be any guidance there in the mock interviews, or there won't be any help. They will interview you as you are giving the interview for their company. And in the placement process, the 10x team, as soon as the 10x team starts the placement process, they help us to get as much as interview as we can. I will only give them an advice to focus on problem solving, to build your skill in data structures, to learn data structures very thoroughly, so that you won't be face any difficulty in problem solving. My overall experience at the 10x Academy was very good. The mentors there are very helpful and understanding. The operations team there, they help us in every problem we face in day-to-day life during the 6 months, and we get placements very easily. So there is no worry about the placement.